Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Trulia easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Trulia website or open the Trulia app on your device. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the homepage. Enter the location you are interested in investing in. You can refine your search using filters such as price, number of bedrooms, and property type. After setting your desired parameters, review the available listings. Click on a property that catches your eye to view its details. Take note of important information such as the price, square footage, and neighborhood statistics. Scroll down to see the photos and virtual tours available for the property. Use the map feature to get a sense of the property's location and nearby amenities. Evaluate the neighborhood score provided by Trulia for insights on the area's livability. Next, check the property's history and price trends for added context. If you want to compare properties, add them to your saved list. Once you've narrowed down your options, arrange for property visits or virtual tours. After visiting the properties, conduct thorough research on potential investment returns. Consider factors such as rental demand and future development in the area. If you're interested in a property, connect with a local real estate agent through Trulia. Discuss your interest and ask for advice on making an offer. Review any relevant paperwork and ensure you have financing in place. Once you decide on a property, follow your agent's guidance to make your formal offer. After your offer is accepted, proceed with inspections and final paperwork. Congratulations, you're on your way to becoming a successful real estate investor with Trulia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.